Articles. Articles a, an, or the are generally used before singular countable nouns. A or an are indefinite articles. I have written a letter. Here, a letter is an indefinite article. A is an indefinite article because we don't know about the letter. When we refer a thing or a person for the first time, we use indefinite article a or an. I saw a boy. We can also say in another sentences. Once upon a time, there was a king. The king had 4 sons. For the first time, we have used a king. Then the king will be familiar with us, so we can use the king had 4 sons. Once upon a time, there was a crow. Next one, we use the crow was thirsty. In that way, we can use a or an articles. Okay, a used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound is important here. If any word has a consonant sound, any singular countable noun has a consonant sound, we can use a article. This is a book, this is a cat, this is a dollar, this is a fox, this is a gun, this is a horse, this is a jeep, this is a kite, this is a lake, this is a mango, this is a net, this is a peacock, this is a quill, this is a ring, this is a song, this is a tree, this is a van, this is a window, this is a yak, this is a zebra. Some words are begun with a vowel letter, but they pronounce like consonant sound. So we can use a article here. Those words are there here. This is a useful book. Here useful means y sound. So y is consonant. That's why we can use a useful book. Actually, u is a vowel. As according to the rules, that is vowel. We don't write an article because its pronunciation is consonants pronunciation, the y pronunciation. That's why we use a article. This is a useless book. A useless y sound. She is a European. A European y sound. We have a university y sound. He is a union member, a union y sound. I saw a 100 rupee note on the road. A1 means V sound. This is a U-shaped curve, U y sound. U-shaped curve y sound. U-turn y sound. He is late a ya y sound. Yast tablet. It is a yast tablet y sound. He is a one-eyed man. V sound. He is a unique manager. A unique y sound. This is a universal rule. A universal y sound. I eat twice a day. Each or every. At that situations we can use a or an article. He thinks he is a Shakespeare. One like. A triangle has 3 sides. Any triangle has 3 sides. Okay, an is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel sound. If any singular countable noun begins with vowel sound, there we can use an article. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. This is an ant. This is an egg. This is an ink pot. This is an orange. This is an umbrella. Okay, some words, some singular countable nouns begins with consonant sound, but they pronounce as vowel sound. So there we use an article. He is an RTC driver. Here a sound is there. That's why I have used an RTC driver. If we say that word RTC word in full, there we can use a article. He is a road transport corporation driver. He is an MLA. He is a member of legislative assembly. He is an MP. He is a member of parliament. An MBBS, an RMP, an LIC agent, an NSS, an NCC, an MRO, an MDO, an MEO, an MEA student, an MSc student, an MCOM student, an MBA student, an MTech student, an LLB student, an HCL company, an SBI manager. So next, she is an honest woman. Here H is silent. Honest, a sound means a sound. A means vowel sound. That's why an honest is the right usage. He is late an hour. He is an honorable man. Here also H silent. This is an honor. H silent. He is an heir of this family. Heir, H silent. This is an ex-mastery. An half an hour late. A and or are used in the sense of one, singular countable common noun. I bought a pen. Here a pen, that is a singular countable noun. That's why I have written a pen. In the sense of each or every, I eat twice a day. In the sense of one, like before a proper noun, he thinks he is a Shakespeare. Any, a triangle has three sides. Here any triangle has three sides. A lot of, a great many, a too many, a few, a little, half a mile, half an hour. Material nouns are used common noun. There also we use a or an article. A glass of water, a cup of coffee. Some superlatives used merely as intensifiers. This is a most remarkable event. A most. Abstract nouns, if they use as common nouns, there also we use a or an article. A knowledge of biology is an essential as that of arithmetic. Actually here knowledge is abstract noun. There we don't use any kind of a or an or the article. But here that is that abstract noun is used as common noun. That's why common noun means a knowledge of biology. It is used as a knowledge of English, a knowledge of maths. That is used as common noun. That's why a article is used before knowledge. No a or an. Here articles a or an are not used in the following ways. Before plurals we don't use any kind of a or an articles. We have pens. Pens are plural, so we don't write a or an. Before abstract nouns, knowledge is power. Knowledge is abstract noun, so we don't write a or an article. Material nouns, sugar is a material noun, so we don't write a or an before material nouns such as sugar. Sugar is sold at 50 rupees a kg. General sense, man is mortal. Before man we don't write any kind of a or an article. Next to the article. The article means here it is used when we speak about a particular person or a thing, we can use the article. That means if we talk about any animal, that the dog is a great animal or the dog is a faithful animal. Say there we can say that we are talking about the particular animal, so we are using the article. The book is beautiful. There we are talking about the book particularly. That's why I have used the article before the book. I bought a book which is small. I bought the book which is small. Here I am talking about the book. That's why I am particularly speaking about the book. That's why the book is written. Before the thing of its own kind. The sun, the moon, the earth, the Jupiter, the Mars, the Saturn. For example. So before a thing of its own, before a thing or a person which has already been mentioned earlier. There is a fan. The fan is working. A fan, the fan. There is a dog. The dog is barking. There is a baby. The baby is crying. River, before the rivers, the Ganga, the Krishna, the Penna, the Kaveri, the Brahmaputra. All rivers, before all the rivers we can use the article. The Krishna, the Godavari. Oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. The Gulfs, the canals, the Panama Canal, the Persian Gulf. Names of islands, the Andaman Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas. before a singular noun used as represent the whole class. The dog is a faithful animal. The snake is a poisonous animal. Before the important books, the Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita. Before the newspapers, the Eenadu, the Sakshi, the Varta, the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, the Indian Express. Before proper nouns they are used as common nouns to compare. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Superlative degree adjectives, the cleverest, the best, the tallest, the more, the less. Nations prefixed by United, the USA, here U means United States of America, the UK, the United Kingdom, USSR, there we don't use the article because in the USSR U means Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. And adjectives to make it a noun in the plural. The rich should help the poor. Important places, the court, the public park. Important events in history, the French Revolution, the Quit India movement, the First World War, the Second World War. Professions, the business, the army, the teaching. Musical instruments after the verb. I play the guitar. Play the guitar. I play the sitar. I like the sitar. Festivals, the Diwali, the Sankranti, the Pongal, the Ugadi, the Ramjan, the Christmas. Ordinals, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh. Body parts, the neck, the nose, the cheek, the chin. Before the clothes, the shirt, the pant, the necker. The only, the right, the exact, the very. Before the time, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Ships, the Titanic, the Titanian, the Vikrant, the Jalausha. In the following situations, we don't write the article before the proper nouns. Proper nouns means a name of a person or a name of a place or name of a thing. Before Sai, we don't write Sai is a good boy, that's all. The Sai is a good boy is wrong. Delhi is the capital city of India. That is enough. The Delhi is the capital city of India is wrong. Abstract nouns, knowledge is power. There we don't write the article before knowledge because knowledge is abstract noun. Material nouns, also we don't write the article. Sugar is sold at rupees 450 a kg. The sugar is wrong usage. Next, single islands and single mountains. If any island is single, any mountain is single, there we don't write the article. Languages, I like English, that's all. That is the right way, right sentence. I like the English is the wrong usage. The days, I shall come on Monday, that's enough. I shall come on the Monday is wrong. Months, he will come in January, that is right. He will come in the January, wrong. I like cricket, that's right. Sports, before sports we don't use the article. I like the cricket is wrong usage. From first to last, that is the right usage. From beginning to end, right usage. By hand, in office, at home. By the hand is wrong. In the office is wrong. At the home is wrong. The first to the last wrong. The beginning to the end wrong. Okay, in the compound expression signifying one, the secretary and treasurer is the right usage. He is selected as the secretary and treasurer. Okay, thank you.